What's up guys, Harry here for Advanced Alight Motion. Today we talk about how to pull perfect chroma key in Alight Motion. In Alight Motion, import green screen video and timeline. I have already downloaded green screen video from YouTube. Click on green screen video, effects, add effects, scroll right. Matte mask key, then select chroma key effect. Click on key color, then click on color picker. Adjust threshold to get proper chroma key. For smoother edges enable defringe, and adjust feather you want. Don't forget that good key have harder edges, so don't feather more. Now your video background is removed. You can add your own background. Shift background to the bottom layer and increase the duration of background. For more Alight Motion tutorials, subscribe to Advanced Alight Motion and also press bell icon for more update. Also check out our tutorial of fake handheld camera movement in Alight Motion. Thanks for watching, and be smart.